Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm super excited. I always say I'm super excited because I am, because I have a double Coach unboxing. It's a true unboxing. If you want to see what this video is all about, stick around. Okay, first of all, you might see some 4x4s sticking out of the garment here. So I'm still healing, you guys, but I am doing much better. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. So yes, as I said, it's a true unboxing. I seem to be on a Coach kick. That's the way I do everything, you guys. I get on kicks. So right now I'm on a Coach kick and I'm loving it. So the first item that I have came like this, and it is something that I ordered off eBay, and I'm going to blame my girl, Pink Butterfly Girl T. Okay, so it's something that she had ordered, and I believe her order, I think that it was lost and she didn't get it. So as I was watching her video, I thought, I can find that. I can find it. So I found it on eBay, and it is more than what she paid for it, because I believe she got it off either, I think the Coach outlet. Is that right, girl? I think the Coach outlet. Anyway, I loved it. And I thought, I'm gonna order it, but if she doesn't find hers, she can just buy this from me. But if she doesn't, I would love to have it for myself. I just felt bad, you know, because she really wanted it. So this is something that is your fault, T, and I love it, but if you want it, you can have it. So anyway, let's get into this and see what it is. I mean, from the size of it, you can pretty well tell what it is. All right, so here we go. I ordered this off eBay. Anytime that you can't find anything, you can usually find it on eBay. And I am not a huge eBay shopper. I used to be, and I got, what is the word? Screwed. I was trying to find a more diplomatic word. But anyway, I thought I had ordered a authentic Louis Vuitton bag years and years and years ago, like 12 years ago. And so for that reason, I don't normally buy really expensive things, but this seller had a very good reputation. And like I said, I was watching one of Pink Butterfly's videos, and she was talking about her haul, and she had ordered this and it got lost. So I went looking for it and found it. I let her know that I have it, but she didn't pay this much for it. I can't remember. I think I paid $117 for this item, and it's packaged very nicely. So I thought, if she doesn't want it, that's fine. I want it myself. So it's so cute. Oh my gosh! Look how cute. So she got a little, I think, toiletry and some other items from this collection. Oh my gosh. I wasn't expecting it to be this adorable. And what really got me when she was talking about it, I mean, it's the Zippy wallet, my all-time favorite wallet. She was talking about it, and she said it is like the old Zippy Louis Vuitton wallets, which I have a full-size one. And she said it doesn't have the gusset, and it just opens up all the way. And it does. It's not as big. I will run and get my other one and show you the difference. This is smaller. Oh my gosh. You guys, this will be so cute in my pink capucines. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay. Okay, that did it. I'm gonna have to go on the hunt, girl, for some more pieces from this collection. I might check with the seller and see what else they have. Oh, it is so cute. So I've been needing a compact wallet because I sold my Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet, and I'm just using card cases right now. And so this is kind of in the middle between a compact and a large wallet. So this is gonna work out really well for me. So you guys know that I am not really a SLG person. I buy what I use. And yeah, every now and then it's great to have a different wallet, but I just, you know, I've been wanting the Chanel wallet, and you guys, I cannot spend $1,000 on a compact wallet. I can't go there. I can't let myself go there. I won't go there. I can't do it. I can't do it. But anyways, so I just wanted to show you the difference. Here's my Louis Vuitton zippy wallet that I've had for many years, probably about 7 or 8 years. So there is a difference. This one's obviously smaller. And then just put it, and then see, it's like this much bigger here. So really, it doesn't look like a lot, but looking at it in person, like on the monitor, it doesn't look like a lot. But in person, this one is definitely a lot bigger. So I put all my stuff in this wallet the other day, and I couldn't do it. I'm kind of like over the big wallets right now, but this wallet is never going anywhere. It's in my collection for life. I love it. I do. But I'm over the big wallets. And this one is kind of right in between. I wonder if they have a little tiny compact wallet like this. So I'm gonna have to go on the hunt, you guys. But anyway, this is gonna be the wallet I use from now on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I just love it so much. So, so cute. Look at all the card slots. And I like this slot for your license. Let me take this paperwork out. Let me take this paper out. A nice good place for coins. Here's a really deep spot. Wow. Okay, so this is a fantastic little wallet. T, I hope you find one. I don't know if I'm gonna let you have mine now. I mean, I ordered it because I liked it and I wanted it, but I did let her know. If she had taken it when I let her know, but now, girl, I just don't know. I just don't know if I can part with it. So cute. I paid $117 on eBay for this. All right, so that was exciting. T, I hope that your missing package shows up. I really do. I hope that it shows up, and if not, well, I might think about it. Okay. All right, my next item is in this box. I went ahead and popped the tape, cut the tape. So it's in here like this. Now, here it is. It's a bag. It's a bag, people. So, okay, this is something that I have wanted since the first day I ever laid eyes on it, and I really hope I'm not disappointed because I have started to get this bag 2,000 times and just thought, no, I don't need it. No, I don't need it. And so it was on sale again, even more, and I'm not sure if it tells the price here, but it was about the best deal that I had found. $180. That's like the cheapest I've seen this bag, and I went ahead and got it. So let's open it up and see what it is. Look how nice they package things. I think you could see through that. So there were different styles. This is the okay. Here we go. Let's take this off. Carefully, carefully, just in case, you know. Look, just in case. Oh, ooh, ooh, ah. It's the Rambler with the varsity stripe. You guys know I have the little wallet on chain, and I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh, it's about the size of the Pochette Matisse, because I used to have that bag. It's got this back pocket. We'll go ahead and take that off. The stripe goes all the way. Oh my gosh. It's got the adorable little turn lock. So, so cute. It retailed for $450, and I remember seeing it on the Coach website for $450. Oh, and before I go any further, I do want to clarify something, because some of you that love bags, but you're not like always stalking the websites, and you're not in the know as much as people like me and Autumn Beckman and Winnie. Someone asked me and said they were confused about the differences. Okay, so there's the Coach.com website, and there's a CoachOutlet.com. So often after bags like this have been out for a while, they will then move them over to the Coach outlet and you can get them greatly reduced. Like I said, this was $4.50. I got it for $1.80 and I've been looking at it since it was brand new. And I don't know if you guys remember me saying that most of my Coach bags are a cream color. So I love it and I needed something. This is really a need, you guys. I know some of you are rolling your eyes, but I really did need something casual, crossbody, because I had the pochette Matisse and I used it all the time, and this is kind of a replacement for it. I had to return my pochette Matisse because of issues, quality issues, of course. But okay, so I'm looking at the strap. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off and I'll be right back. And we'll talk about the strap. I love it. It took me about, oh my God. This is like, it's made like the pochette Matisse. Leather lined. I think the bottom is not leather lined. It is leather. I'm not kidding, you guys. Okay, it's leather lined here. There's some material down there. I might have to put a little organizer in there just to protect it. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's a zip pocket back there, a little place for a card case right there, a little pocket. Oh, you're everything and more. You are everything and more than I dreamed you would be. Oh my gosh. Oh my, that is a scent that needs to be bottled. You guys, it smells so leathery, so luxurious. I know I've said this before, but I had someone to kind of let me have it and said, don't be saying that Coach is a luxury brand. I never said it was a luxury brand. I said it was luxurious. This is luxurious. It smells luxurious. My heart is just about to beat out of my chest. There's just something about that varsity stripe. You guys, this is a bag. This is a bag. Look at it. Look at it. That's all leather. The only place that's not leather lined, let me get up here. Like, it's all leather except right down here. Some really thick material down here. Can you guys see that? Oh gosh. You guys, I love it. I think this is one of those bags that's a little difficult to fasten unless you have something in it. So let me model it for you. I will spray it with Scotch Guard. I will wear it with black. I will wear it with denim. I've never had much, I will say much of an issue with color transfer, but I'll be very careful with it. Oh my gosh, you guys. Don't look at what I'm wearing. Still wearing this crazy garment, okay? So anyway, what I was gonna say earlier, I said I would talk about the strap. Look at this. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 grommets. Super adjustable, super versatile. Louis Vuitton, are you watching? Are you watching? Because this is the kind of strap that we need from you, okay? This is the kind of strap we need. We need adjustable straps with beautiful aged hardware grommets, thick, comfortable leather straps, Hermes. Like, I seriously want an Evelyn bag, but what about that strap? I don't like the strap. They do it on purpose, you guys. They do. They know what they're doing. And then they sell all these straps. Really makes me mad. Really. Okay, I'm talking about this bag here. I don't want to. Let me just take it all in. The leather smell. This is a fabulous bag. And they also had the emery, just like this. It may still be available, I'm not sure. But you guys, you need to grab this bag. If you want a great bag that would be a great alternative to the Pochette Métis, here you go. I'm on a Coach kick, and I can't promise there won't be more unboxings within the next, I don't know, week or two. Because at these prices, why not, right? And those of you that like to write in to people like me and Autumn Beckman and ask us how many bags do we need, how many ever bags we decide that we need, that's how many bags we need, okay? So, sometimes I just feel like being snarky, that's all. Because this gives me joy. I live in a little country town. There's not a lot going on here, you guys. If this is my happiness, let me have it. Let me be happy. Let me have my bags. I love it, you guys. So, so pretty. And I can't wait to show you what all fits inside. I'll do maybe some mod shots. I might even do some more modeling videos where I style things when I get to feeling a little bit better. But this is just a quick little video, you guys. I wanted to show you what I got. I'm super excited with these two items. I think they match perfectly. I'm not really a matchy-matchy. And like I said, I don't go there. But anyway, but I'm just really happy with these items. I think they're absolutely fabulous, absolutely gorgeous. And if you have any questions, please let me know. And I always forget to say subscribe. Please subscribe. Let's get to 5,000 subscribers. Maybe we'll do another giveaway. And you guys, I still have one more giveaway to go with the 4,000, okay? So I'm gonna do a $50 Nordstrom card is what I decided to do. And just haven't had time to do it, but we'll do that very soon. So that's all I have for you today. I'm super happy. I think these items are absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna go on the hunt, you guys, for some more little pieces. And I will see you guys in a couple of days. Bye-bye.